Hi everyone, in this Oclef video we are going to go over the metronome tool. The metronome, contrary to popular belief, is not a tool used to fix issues with rhythm. We use the metronome simply for being able to figure out how fast or slow that we are playing a piece, as well as having a reference for a steady rhythmic pulse. The most common use for a metronome is for scaling. Scaling is the use of a metronome to be able to take a piece that we have learned slowly to be able to learn how to play it faster. To demonstrate this, I am first going to do something called clocking. Clocking is determining the speed in which I am able to play a piece. So first I'm going to take the metronome and set it at a very slow speed that I know that I can play the piece at. So I'm taking the metronome and I'm setting it at 60 BPM. Now I'm going to demonstrate using Bach's Minuet in G, and I'll just play along with it at this tempo. And now that I've played that, I'm now going to do something called scaling. So there's many different ways I can do scaling, but the most common one is to increase by 5. So now that I played it once, and I'm going to pause the metronome, now that I played it once at 60 BPM, I'm going to try and play it several more times with the speed slowly increasing. So I just played it once at 60, so now I'm going to try it again at 65. And then bring it up to 70. And as you can see, when I got to 70, there was a little bit of trouble. So therefore, I would probably go back to 65, try it a few more times, and then try to see if I can play it again at 70. And then after that, I would keep going with the pattern, 5, increasing by 5 steadily, until I reach the performance tempo. Remember that the metronome is mostly used as a rhythmic reference to how fast or slow that you are playing. If you are having pulse issues, you should use something like tapping and counting out loud to be able to fix those issues. The most common use of the metronome scaling should only be done after you have mastered the notes and rhythms of the piece and you're able to play that slowly. And this concludes our video on the metronome tool. Thanks for watching.